everyone, how are you? So let's begin the study of 8th science. Before we begin, let me start with providing an overview. It's always a good practice to understand the larger picture first so that when you are studying in detail, you know where you are and learning becomes interesting. That's why I have specially designed the summary of your whole syllabus for your better understanding. So let's start.
Broadly, we can divide our 8th science syllabus in 4 sections. We will see in each section what we are going to learn, what we already studied in earlier standard, and how this will be helpful next year. So let's start. First chapter is Living World and Classification of Microbes. In this chapter, we study microscopic animals and plants. They are classified into 5 groups, that is bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae and viruses. In 7th standard, we studied animals and plants which are macroscopic, that is visible to naked eyes. In 9th standard, we study the detailed specific organisms under the above groups. Cell and cell organelles. In this chapter, we can study the internal cells and their structure. We studied various types of cells in 7th standard. Human body and organ system. In this year, we study 2 organ systems in detail, that is respiratory system and blood circulatory system. In 7th standard, we studied all the life processes, means all the organ system, just as an introduction. In 9th standard, remaining organ systems we can study in detail, that is digestive system, nervous system and reproduction. So these 3 chapters are from biology. Physics. First chapter is force and pressure. In 7th standard, we studied the force is required to do the work. But in this year, we study the types of forces, that is contact force and non-contact force. Based upon this chapter, we have a chapter in 9th and 10th standard, that is energy, current, electricity and magnetism. This chapter is useful to understand the basic concepts and terms. Related to this chapter, there are 2 chapters in next standard, that is heat and electric current. Sound. In this chapter, basic sonar system is very useful and same is in 9th standard. Some terms such as wavelength, frequency, etc. is very important for the point of view of 10th standard. Reflection of light. Same chapter is in 10th standard. In both chapters, some definitions are same or common, like reflection, refraction, laws of reflection, type of lenses, etc. This is about the physics. Now, chemistry section will start. Inside the atom. In 7th standard, we studied particles inside the atom. Now, we study the mass, their position in an atom and for the same examples. Next year, same chapter is there, only detailed structure of atom is explained by various scientists. Now, composition of matter. In this chapter, we study matter, their types, composition and examples. This chapter is very important to understand the related chapters in 9th and 10th standard. Metals and non-metals. We study the different uses and properties of metals and non-metals, noble metals like gold, silver and their uses. We also study the chemical reactions and physical reactions of metals and non-metals with environment. Introduction to acid and base. In this chapter, we study the identification of acidic and substances, basic substances, useful acids, useful bases in our day-to-day life. Chemical change and chemical bond. Difference between chemical change and physical change, changes in everyday life, some changes, man-made changes, natural changes, chemical changes, etc. So this is about the chemistry section. Now next section is environmental science. In this section there are 5 chapters: disaster management, man-made materials, pollution, ecosystem, and life cycle of stars. So these chapters are come under environmental science. You may have studied similar chapters in geography and English. Basic thing to learn from these chapters is as follows: to create the public awareness among the peoples, to follow the government rules, to protect the public properties, or to protect the public monuments. So actually these 5 chapters are very easy. They are just basic to understand while living in the world. Essay type, we can learn these chapters and they are very easy to understand and easy to learn. So okay, it's all about the 8th science.
Are you enjoying learning with me? If you are, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.